What's up guys, this is Raf and welcome back. So I've been looking for a smart light bulb to add on my smart home, and there are two things I'm looking for. So first, it should be able to connect to my Google Home app. Second, it should be able to change in different colors, like in RGB lighting. Then I found this. So this is the Tapo Smart Wi-Fi Light Bulb L530E, a smart bulb from TP-Link. We normally know this company for routers, but they also sell smart home devices. But first, let's do an unboxing. So technically what's on the box is the bulb or the smart bulb and some paperwork. So it's just plain and simple and no any other things on it. So make sure to download the Tapo app and then click add device and go to bulbs and then choose the smart bulb that you have, which on my case here would be the Tapo L530. Then just click that logo and then make sure to install properly your smart bulb and then hit next, and then also make sure that the power is on, and then enable the location services and then hit next, and it will just load for probably a couple of minutes and then just hit connect. Alright, so the connection shows here is successful, so we just need to wait it to load for now. Alright, so it's trying to make progress right now. Okay, so it was able to found it. Then it's searching for Wi-Fi. Then choose your Wi-Fi name. Then enter also its password. And it's trying to connect right now to the network. Then you can choose the name of the smart bulb. And then also the location where it's located. And then choose the icon for this smart bulb. And then it will try to update its software, and also you can choose here what voice control. On my end here, I'll be using the Google Assistant, so I'm choosing Google Home right now, and then I'll try to link it with my Tapo account. Alright, I'll just need to agree and link. Alright, so it's loading right now. So it's basically straightforward. You just need to follow the instructions and then hit some buttons. Like normally it's just next and next. And alright, right now it's trying to load the Google Home, and it shows here this master bedroom light. And then just hit there and then add to a room. Make sure to choose on your right home. If for example, if you have multiple home. So I'll be choosing here on my suite home. So I'll be choosing here the option for move device to put it there for the smart Wi-Fi light bulb. And then I'll be choosing the room would be the master bedroom. And then hit next. So it's loading right now. Okay, so the device was already moved. It's done. Then it should be showing here right now on my Google Home. Okay, so it shows there right now the master bedroom light. So we can control the color, the brightness, and turning on, turning off. So we can command also Google Assistant for remote controlling for the smart bulb. So here's the quick view of its specs. So the important part will be the voltage, 220 to 240 volts. The switching cycles, it's rated around 15,000. And then also the wattage is around 8.7 watts, and the lifetime hours will be 15,000 hours. So for its feature, first you can do voice command for it. So you can connect it to your Alexa or to your Google Assistant in remote controlling this smart bulb. Second would be the schedule and away mode. So you can set up your own schedule and customize it also even if you're away from home. So this is, I think, is a good additional feature, especially if you're a person who wants to automate your things. So third, it does have an option for color customization. So you can change the color from white to color red to color yellow to color blue. So any colors that you wanted. So they have this cool feature as well called party mode. So what will happen is that the light bulb will change the color of it, like it's like you're partying. So it's a quirky feature that is added. There are two things that I think that they can improve on. I wish it could be a little bit more brighter. And second is the energy monitoring. So they have said that there is an option for energy monitoring, but I wasn't able to see any option for that on the Tapo app. But overall, I really like this Tapo smart bulb. So it's easy to set up. I like that you can control it with your Google Assistant. Schedule and away mode is very helpful option to optimize it. And this is a good alternative for Philips Hue. And for a cheap price, you can get this around 500 to 600 Philippine pesos or 11 to 12 US dollars. So that is my review for this Tapo Smart Wi-Fi light bulb L530E. And thank you for watching my video. Please like, share, and subscribe. And see you soon. Peace out.